We are finished with the McDonald's. We are going to the moon. We're supposed to go at 1:14 a.m. Let's not really do that.
What?
It says we're not going to get back to 1:14 a.m.
Well, what does it mean?
Huh?
What does it mean?
You can't go that way.
Oh, I can't?
It's an entrance.
Oh, yeah.
Remember?
Right.
You came in that way. You can't go back out it. Look, a morning dove. It's nature in the Florida. And there are the scooters, which there's a lot of here because there's a lot of really small roads. And a lot of people apparently scrape on their way out of here.
I could totally go. Yep, I totally could. Yep.
It's quite the ridiculous angle. Here we go, watch this. Mr. Red Truck McGee right there. He just went out the entrance. Denny's and Inn. Comfort Inn.
Alright, turn left. North on 1. That's the only way to get off the island.
There it is, the only way. You barricade it off, everyone is stuck.
Yep.
Wait, yeah, I think it's...
Yeah,
because that's the Marriott. I don't think that takes us back to North One.
No, although I would like to stay there too.
Yeah, but we're not doing that. There's the...
Mr. Red Truckman does not know how to turn on the McDonald's. He goes off Key West Island. Key West, Key, whatever.
Oh, it's like stealth cam. Like hide it between the windshield wiper and the dash.
Oh, I guess you can't turn from that way. Oh well.
Oh, well, we can be in this one because we're on 1.
Key West, come back soon.
Again.
Okay, you give us money, we come back.
In 102
Yeah.
miles, turn right.
Oh man, I have to turn right really soon.
Give us about... Oh, I'm going to see what happens if I do this. Oh, how do I do that? Turns.
College Road.
I want to see what happens if I do avoid toll.
Starting route guidance.
1:32 a.m. That's faster.
Really?
No, it's not. It's 15 minutes slower, but who cares? I don't want to pay it again.
Yeah. Okay, even if we roll in it like early in the morning, I don't really care.
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't matter. Because tomorrow isn't the day that we need to be really, really rested for. It's like tomorrow we're going to Sanibel in the evening. We're going to go and look at sloths in the morning. And we're going to like swim and play Pokemon on laptops and cell phones.
Yeah.
And that's not good.
What?
Figure B.
Oh. Yeah.
That is not how your spare tire is supposed to look. No, not at all. We're locals like you. That's a lie. I'm not a local. I live like 13... No, actually... I live
Like
1,600 miles away from here.
That's not... You're pretty local still.
Yeah, compared to like California, that's about it.
It'll only take you like 26 hours to get back here.
Yeah. Oh, I guess the way it's floating around though, unless he hits a bump, it's not going to scrape on the road. But still, it definitely shouldn't be.
Yeah, I definitely would worry about it. I definitely don't want to drive behind it.
No. We're going to pass it. does that whole I'm gonna focus on the windshield thing.
I know.
Mine doesn't do that. I think maybe because yours is more sensitive, like up to a closer distance.
Probably.
Whereas I think mine is like the GPS isn't even in focus.
Right.
Until I've got the camera I don't know, even then it's not. Like the Sony thing is, but
yeah.
the actual picture isn't. Ocean. Boca Chica Key. Bear right on Overseas Highway. Oh wait, you can't see it. Never mind.
It's bear on the right of Overseas Highway.
There's on your right you can see some trees and some other trees and maybe some more trees, and there's some shrubbery and a bush and some rocks and the sky.